Move, babe.
DS18 is in the house at First Gear.
Jonathan Bush. But how's the flex? Oh, that thing will flex. It will flex. It's gonna flex with some music. We are a distributor for DS18 now, so you know where to come get some music.
Gotta have some fun while we work.
Got a couple projects going on today. Did a transmission in a Saturn View. We got an 89 Cadillac. We got this beautiful Jeep in here. We're putting some horns on it. Dodge Ram, putting a new rear end in. Got an old Ford Bronco. We're at First Gear, guys. If you want to come stop by, say hi, or got any questions, give us a call. I'm about to get back to work. Y'all have a good day.